गुड मॉर्निंग। वालेकुम अस्सलाम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। तो नाजरीन, मैं जम्बोंगा में हूँ। मैं अपनी वाइफ की ढूंढ रहा हूँ। मेरी वाइफ दुकान में गई है। आना व्हाट डू यू वांट Hannah? Okay, buy it then. And what else you want to buy? Pali pali. Are you looking for a dress? Do it fast because we have to go to Pali Pali.
Okay, this is fine.
You want to buy something? Just buy it.
I can find them.
Okay, we'll come back again. It's very near. Okay, do the payment.
Ito lang, ma'am.
तो मेरी बेगम कुछ ले रही है।
They don't have sandal.
तो अभी पैसे पड़ने लगा हूँ यहाँ पे।
35 isa, tatlong 35, and then 45. 45. Yan na, yung maliit.
थैंक यू।
Ano na yung next left? Eto. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you। तो आप देख सकते हैं मेरी वाइफ ने शॉपिंग कर ली। What did you bought?
Should I mention it?
No need to mention it. Hannah, stand here. I'll take a picture.
No.
Because you're looking very beautiful. That's why. You're not looking beautiful. What happened to your lips? Why so orange? Maybe because of the fake juice. Yeah, it's orange. You know, sometimes the juice is fake, your lips become orange. So, where should we go next?
SMC.
Okay. Stand here. So, नाजरीन, हमने शॉपिंग कर ली है। आज के लिए ब्लॉग के लिए इतना ही। अल्लाह हाफिज़।